I would like to present with the title of lithium battery-based smart power wall for energy storage system and electric vehicle charger station. My name is Ferry Adrianto. I come from Department of Electrical Engineering, 11 Maret University, UNS, Indonesia. Before we started, I will introduce my previous research. Between 2005 until 2010, I worked on flexible thin film transistor. My research focused on solution process, zinc oxide, nanorod, barium, zirconite, titanite, and poly for vinyl panel 14 film transistor application. Here is my device. During 2010 until 2013, I joined Microsystem and Nanotechnology Laboratory, University of Oslo, Norway, for work package for new material for next generation solar cell. This research is part of the FME, Norwegian Center for Environmentally Friendly Energy Research project, to further develop Norwegian photovoltaic industry. And then 2014 until 2016, I have worked with the Microelectronic and Nanotechnology Samsudin Research Center, University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. I work on E. coli bacteria sensor, and now I work at Laboratory of Electric Vehicle, and also I head of Department of Electrical Engineering, 11 Maret University, Indonesia. Here is electric demand in the world. Electric demand measured in kilowatts and represent the rate at which electricity is consumed. So electric consumed, on the other hand, is consumed in kilowatt hours and represent the amount of electricity that has been consumed over a certain time period. So for example, if we have a 10 watt LED, will always demand 10 watt from the grid when it's on. However, the LED energy consumed will ring depending on the number of hours it is on. And the LED is on for 10 hours. Its consumption would be 10 watt multiplied 10 hours. So it's 100 watt hours. The understanding electricity use can be compared to driving a car. The rate at which you are consuming electricity in a kilowatt or equivalent to the speed you are driving the car. Your overall consuming is similar to the total distance driven in the car. Electricity consumption is dependent on how many hours your equipment was on. Multiply demand by time in use and you get consumption. In a car, you calculate your total distance the same way, multiply with the average speed by the number of hours. Renewable energy here, renewable energy and nuclear power are the world's fastest growing energy sources. It's increasing, it's about 0.5% per year. However, fossil fuel continue to supply nearly 85% of world energy use until 2040. So the natural gas also here is the fastest growing fossil fuel as global supply of the gas and coal pit methane increase. So here is the slide of world energy consumption. The world energy consumption, supply and consumption is global production and preparation of fuel, generation of electricity, energy transport, and energy consumption. It is a basic part of economic activity. It does not include energy from food or from the other energy. From this figure, we can see that China and also India, it's increased very fast than United States. How about the electric grid? Most of countries use electric grid, and this figure show that the efficiency is more important issue in here. From power plant generate, Grand Rapids transformer step up voltage from transmission with the efficiency decrease until 80-90%, and then neighborhood transformer step down voltage 97%, and then also distribution lines carry in electricity to houses until 60%, and until distribute on pole step down electricity before it entered to houses is about the efficiency is 98. This is the key issue that efficiency in electric grid is more important. We will focus here about the renewable energy. How about the renewable energy? One of energy system using the battery using the PV, and the energy will be stored in the battery. For example, here is using a lithium-ion battery. As a lithium battery-based energy storage system used at home, and here the power wall can function as a standalone power source, so that user no need to be connected to existing electricity services. So however, in the capacity as an energy storage and the independent power source, the function that exists in the power wall are still not optimized properly. Generally, power wall are only used as energy storage and independent source of electricity without optimizing energy source that will the power wall. Until now, the power wall is still function as an independent energy storage for home. Tesla here using the power wall is installed integrated with battery system, and that store your the solar energy to backup protection. So when the grid goes down, the power stay on. The system detect outage and also automatically recharge with sunlight to keep the power running for the days. The Tesla here using lithium-ion battery for home energy storage. His product manufactured by Tesla Energy, and the power wall store electricity for Tesla is consumption, time use, leading shifting, and also backup power. The power wall was introduced first in 2015, limited edition, and then the mass production that started in early 2017 at Tesla Giga Nevada factory, and as of May 2021, Tesla has installed is about 200,000 power wall, and here we can see that in Indonesia, Baran, one of factory in Indonesia, Baran Power Wall also produce the power wall, Baran, and the system. This also include the backway power wall here. In our research, installed by IoT. By using IoT, we can control and monitoring how about the energy consumption in the house and how to charge the electric vehicle in the house like this. This is the Center of Excellence in Science and Technology for Lithium Battery in our campus in Indonesia, in 11 Maret University. This is a CUE building. We produce lithium-ion battery cell with the dimension this cylinder, and then we have mini plant for battery, mini plant wall cell with the capacity 150 cell per day, and produce battery cell, battery pack, and battery module. We have also mini plant material with the capacity 10 kilogram per day, and the equipment installed there is such as XRD, PSA, SEM, EIS, and also recently we have container lab for charge-discharge battery cell until 500 kilovolt for channel, and maximum ampere is 13 ampere like this. This is mini plant material, mini plant cell. Here is our product. This project first is BMS, battery management system. We have three kind of product: first serial, second, and third. First series we use BQ2769 with the maximum current is 100 ampere, and the second series is using 16-bit ADC, and the communication using 12C, and then the third BMS using C6804 and 16-bit ADC. And we also test our BMS for our battery, and then this monitoring also can monitor the battery life, the battery quality by using this IoT monitoring by. And the second is the active balancer. Active balancer is how to control balance the voltage, also the current here, the balancer measurement. Yeah, we have 3 products for balancer, and the third product is a modular system, because we produce the Powerwall with the modular system. This is the first version. The second version, and this is our cell from UNS battery. And then we also smart inverter. Yeah, smart inverter. We have 2 versions. Yeah, and we check that the output of the voltage is almost the same with the voltage no load. Like this output voltage at 215 volt AC with no load, this voltage. And then also we produce a backup gateway system. The backup gateway system, okay, here is the other result is simulation, BMS and balancer. And we have BMS with the specification 14 serial communication, 100 ampere protection, and also temperature protection and SOC estimation. And so here we have active balancer. Yeah, with this specification, we check that up to 5 ampere for balancing current, and with 15 series balancing and flyback transformer DC to DC converter. And also we developed IoT smart inverter system, yeah, by IoT, and backup gateway, and also hardware gateway IoT like this. And also we install the information system in our web for this Powerwall. This is the gateway IoT, that subsystem hardware divided into 4 parts. First is main panel here, and IoT board, yeah, for monitoring. This is connected from BMS data, inverter and gateway, and then we can monitor for BMS in here. And this is the data from Chroma in our research from increase voltage or decrease. We can see that the transition time is almost less than 40 milliseconds. Also here we produce LFP battery pack, yeah, like this. This is the data from discharge almost is very okay. And then this is a current transition without overshoot and in rush current from 0 until minus ampere. We can check this is without overshoot. This is also here. And this is the milestone, our project. We have milestone from 2020 until 2024. First year we develop control and monitoring safety battery system and fast charging system. We collaborate with National Electronic Agency Indonesia, PTLN, for active balancing, and also with PT Batex for lithium ion battery. And then also for produce BMS, we collaborate with ITB Bandung, Indonesia. And then also for implement to collaborate with PT Mobil Anak Bangsa, one of electric bus in Indonesia, and PT LAN, PT Inka, and also the final years 2024 we will mass production. And then also here for 2 kind of produce, yeah, and fast charging also for control and monitoring system battery. Yeah. Here is our product, UNS modular battery pack 2.4 kilowatt, and here we have the research collaborate with the National Research Innovation Agency, BRIN, and the LPDP, Indonesian Endowment Fund for Education, for the grant. Here is the electric vehicle, conversion electric vehicle, and the bicycle electric in our campus. And this is electric pedicab and e-trike, and also electric bus in our campus. Our specification for ESS then EV like this. The modular of the number of modular of battery is 2, and we have battery uses energy until 10 kilowatt hours, and maximum output power is 10 kilowatt. And also we use communication using CAN and I2C. And in this documentation, our project, we have student, and then here test for battery pack with modular system, and then here is IoT for monitoring the system load, charging and capacity of battery is a summary. We have been developed smart power wall system, battery management system BMS for battery charging regulator, battery parameter monitoring, energy level prediction, and also battery temperature control and the ability to automatically disconnect and connect to loads. So in this system also we have artificial intelligence embedded in this BMS. It is possible to protect the battery cell, also increase battery efficiency and battery protection when connected to existing electrical system, including internal charger station for electric vehicle. Also, it can be so that the battery pack in our project of 15 serial 30 parallel configuration with the capacity 2.4 kilowatt for 48 volt, and this battery pack also have temperature protection SOC estimation up to 5 ampere, balancing current and flyback transformer DC to DC converter, and a panel gateway IoT control smart relay. Okay, thank you very much.